Did you know that by 2024, it's estimated that AI will handle up to 80% of digital marketing tasks, freeing up marketers to focus on creativity and strategy? In recent years, we've seen a rapid shift in the way businesses approach digital marketing. With the rise of AI automation, marketers are able to streamline their workflows, increase efficiency, and drive more revenue than ever before. As we look ahead to 2024, it's clear that AI is going to play an even bigger role in shaping the future of digital marketing. One thing is for sure, the traditional marketing strategies of the past just aren't going to cut it in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Consumers are more savvy than ever, and they expect personalized, seamless experiences from the brands they interact with. If you're still relying on manual processes and outdated tactics, you're going to get left behind. The gap between traditional marketing and AI-driven marketing is growing wider by the day. And if you're not embracing automation, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. The truth is, AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's a must-have for any business that wants to thrive in the years to come. As we prepare to enter a new era of digital marketing, it's essential that we start thinking about how we can harness the power of AI to drive real results. Whether it's automating routine tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, or delivering personalized customer experiences, the potential of AI is virtually limitless. The challenges facing traditional marketing strategies are multifaceted, and they're only going to intensify as we move forward. From data overload to talent shortages, marketers are facing a perfect storm of obstacles that threaten to derail even the best-laid plans. In today's digital landscape, businesses are generating more data than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility, and for many marketers, that means struggling to make sense of it all. From customer interactions to website analytics, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. And that's where AI comes in. With AI-powered data analytics, marketers can finally make sense of the noise, identifying patterns and trends that inform data-driven decisions. It's no longer about guessing what might work. It's about knowing what will work and acting on that knowledge. But data analytics is just the tip of the iceberg. Chatbots, machine learning, and natural language processing are just a few examples of the AI tools that are transforming digital marketing. From automating customer service to generating personalized content, the potential applications are virtually limitless. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's going to replace human marketers altogether. But the truth is, AI is designed to augment human capabilities, freeing us up to focus on the things that matter most: creativity, strategy, and innovation. In the world of digital marketing, AI is the ultimate game changer. It's allowing us to do things that were previously impossible, from predictive analytics to real-time personalization. And as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. But what does this mean in practice? How are businesses actually using AI to drive real results in their marketing efforts? That's what we're going to explore next. Let's take a look at a groundbreaking example of an AI automation agency that successfully enhanced a brand's marketing efforts, showcasing real results. This agency used AI-powered chatbots to automate customer service, freeing up human customer support agents to focus on higher-level issues. The result? A 50% reduction in response times and a 20% increase in customer satisfaction. But that's not all. The agency also used machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, identifying patterns and trends that inform targeted marketing campaigns. The result? A 30% increase in conversions and a 25% increase in revenue. The results speak for themselves. By embracing AI automation, this brand was able to drive real results and achieve a level of success that would have been impossible with traditional marketing strategies alone. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI is going to play an even bigger role in shaping the world of digital marketing. And if you're not embracing automation, you're going to get left behind. So what's the takeaway? The future of digital marketing is all about embracing AI automation and harnessing its power to drive real results. Whether it's automating routine tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, or delivering personalized customer experiences, The potential of AI is virtually limitless. So don't get left behind. Stay ahead of the curve and start thinking about how you can use AI to drive real results in your marketing efforts. The future is bright, and it's AI-powered. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments about AI and marketing. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on the future of digital marketing. And if you're ready to take your marketing efforts to the next level, be sure to check out our next video on the top AI trends to watch in 2024.